Hi guys, so we can see the analysis of some of the crude oil and gold and some natural gas analysis also, and also analysis what we have discussed in previous week. You can see that what we have previous week has been told is that it will continuously consolidate. If it will take resistance somewhere here only, it will come our first target, second target. Okay guys, but what happened, it continuously consolidate here only. Okay guys, after that you can see here also buyer are so much dominated. After this is broken, you can see that one of the nicest fall has been came. After that it became right now some of the volatile. Okay guys, so right now we can see that how it gonna works for next this week. Okay guys, you can see here this is the one of the trend line. Okay guys, so you have to just stretch it out. So I will just delete it and make it a fresh. This will be the one of the major trend line. Okay guys, after that you can see here, I will just you can see here if it will break this trend line. Okay guys, this is the important, break this trend line, this take support, then you can go surely for your first target, second, third, and you can go for fourth target too guys. Okay guys, if once again it comes downside guys, it will take a resistance somewhere here only. Okay guys, then your first immediate target will be somewhere here guys, second, third, and fourth guys. Okay guys, this is for crude oil. We can see for natural gas, I have told you also. Okay guys, here is one of the trend line is making. After that this is broke out. I have also told you that it will almost reach up till here. You can check out also my previous analysis guys, you can get there. You can see here continuous concept. After breakout you can go up till here 9%. After that you can up till here also. We can see this week it will maybe reach up till here. You can see here. Okay guys, I will just remove this. So now we can see the analysis for natural gas. So right now we can consider as a this as a resistance guys. Okay guys, major resistance, because this is the closing of weekly analysis. So at the time it is acting as a resistance. So we have to see that once again it will goes upside momentum and take resistance. Our first target will be here guys, second, third, and fourth guys. Okay guys, if it will break and make a price action in upside momentum, then you can go for your first target guys, second target, third, and fourth. Okay guys, because of high probabilities that it will become a sideways or came downside only. So we can see that. You can also join my telegram channel, link in the description guys. Go and join there. I will post there some of the ideas. Okay guys, we can see next gold. You can see that whole week gold become a sideways market. After that this is the breakout guys. I will show you just a second. This is the here one of the trend line is maker. After that this breakout, you can see that right now it's going and moving to the upward momentum. Okay guys, right now we have to do nothing in this. We have to just wait and watch. If once again it will take a support, then our first target, second, third, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target. If it will came downside somewhere, our first target guys, our second, third, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target you can easily achieve. Okay guys, also you have to see that if once again it will came, so it will act as a supporting area and maybe it become a reversible. It came downside and make a reversible and goes upside momentum. So you can continue your first target, second, third, fourth. Okay guys, like this. Also you can join my telegram channel guys. If I will see something else, so I will definitely update there. Okay guys, we can see the coffee guys. Okay guys, you can see here exactly what I have told you. This is the supporting area, exactly taken a support. Our first target also reached, second target also reached. Okay guys, you can see here almost reach, and right now it is taking a resistance. You can see here. Okay guys, so coffee index or coffee trading is so much slowly processed. So you have to trade or not trade, it's your choice guys. If once again it will take resistance here, first target will be here, second target, and your third target, guys. Okay guys, in upside also we can discuss that if it will break and take support or make a price action, your first target will be somewhere here, second target guys, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four targets we can see in palladium also. Okay guys, right now it is very much looking like a bullishness. Okay guys, so I will just remove this, or you can just extend it. After, you can see that after this breakout how nicely it came, but we have to see that here somewhere. I will just remove it, just a second guys. Okay, right now you can see here guys, this this is the trend line, or you can take like this trend line. Okay guys, this will be the trend line. After that, this is the breakout. You can see that how nicely has been came. After that, what I have told you, this is the trend line. After this will be breakout, you can go for these target. So still these targets are not achieved right now. So what we gonna do is that if once again came take a resistance or in flow only, it will break. Your first target will be this guys, second, third and fourth guys, and you can go for fifth target too guys. Okay guys, you have to see that this will be break. If it will take a support, then you can take it here only position. Okay guys, if not, then only you can see that it's breakout, this high breakout, then only go for upside momentum. Otherwise it will take support somewhere here, then you can go for upside momentum. You can buy call guys. Okay guys, if it will once again came and take a resistance somewhere here, you can exactly go for your first target guys, second, third, fourth. These are the four target in palladium. Okay guys, hope you like this video guys. If you like my video, please go and subscribe my channel guys. Support me guys. I will make separate videos also. If you want some investment, I am taking the some investment also in US stock, but right now it is very much volatile, that's why I'm not making. So please share with your family. If you have any queries guys, please comment down. I will gonna discuss and tell you how and why it is not good or why it is good, or somewhere you have wanted to invest in some stock, you have to invest right now or you have to halt. I will that also tell you. So go and check out guys all the videos, also analysis what I have done there, where you got so many learning videos guys. So thank you guys for today's.